Few days ago, we saw the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe commissioning or opening the NBS housing in Zvarasekwa. But if you go to Zambia, this is Joseph Kalimbwe posting the houses constructed for the police officers of Zambia. So the question is, why is it that the president takes private properties to be his? And if you go onto the next door, in Zambia they are actually doing it for their own police officers, for their own security men. So you see that, honestly speaking, the ZANU-PF government promised the 2.5 million houses during their campaign in 2018. How many have they commissioned? None. But they ran to commission a private company houses. And if you were to look on those NBS housing houses, most of them, the civil servants are involved. But the civil servants, the ordinary civil servant who is suffering, cannot afford that house. The people who qualified or who can afford those houses are those in the management posts or management positions. That is the honest truth. An ordinary civil servant cannot afford those houses. Who is benefiting? They are benefiting. Who is suffering? The ordinary civil servant is suffering. If you look in other departments, they used grades to say they are the only people who qualify for those NBS houses. And how is it being done? Because the same people they can afford to buy Mustangs over say are the same people who are benefiting. Those who are supposed to be getting Zimba, they are not getting them. And the question is, who is benefiting, who is suffering, and who is going to suffer in the long run? These are the ordinary civil servants. And in Zambia, they're actually doing it. How old is Zambian government? It's just a year old. How old is the Zimbabwean government led by President Mnangagwa? Almost 5 years old. So you would see the differences. In Zambia, they deliver. In Zimbabwe, they talk. Propaganda does not build the nation. Propaganda does not build the economy. Beating other people, jailing other people, arresting other people does not build the economy or does not make situations better. It only worsens the situation. Accept criticism, adjust, and make sure that you implement policies which are pro-poor, which are pro-people, which makes the economy go forward. Arrest the looters. Arrest the chancers. Make sure that nobody else is chancing from the deterioration of the economy. That is what we need to do. This is a clear example. This is a clear lesson to President Mnangagwa to say, when we talk about service delivery, this is it.